me will complete this category. Help me welcome One of These Days.
Don't ask me how I'm doing if you don't wanna know. I stayed up too late, woke up late, oh, you know how it goes. Give off the vibe that everything's fine, as long as you don't look in my eyes. It's all going just so perfectly wrong. It's all mine, this kind of life of hurry up and wait. Too many things to lose, it gets a little insane. So much crazy in 24 hours. So many bills, too little thrills, and none of those what I wouldn't give for a minute to myself. Hey, 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 what can I say? It's just been one of those days. Hey, 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 what can I say? It's just been one of those days. One of those days. Hey, 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 what can I say? It's just one of those days. It's just one of those days. It's all going just so perfectly wrong.
Thank you, dancers. That completes the category.